Hey guys, so yung guest ko ngayon si Ma'am Yori galing Manila. Parang TikToker, ang ganda. Ayan, TikTok kayo ma'am, no?
Hindi po.
Hi, hello. Saan po kayo sa Manila, ma'am? Sa QC, okay. Yan, siya po yung magiging model ko ngayon. Ayan, hi ma'am. Okay, ayos.
Like diamonds in the sand, and I miss out forever. So many adventures given up today, so many songs we forgot to play, so many dreams we had on the blue. Oh, let them come true. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever? Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really wanna live forever, forever and ever young?